Right, so question 10, Leaving Cert Foundation 2023 Maths. There's a canteen in Grania School. Students get a lunch special. Pick one sandwich, one drink, and one piece of fruit. So these are the sandwich options. There's 4 of them. These are the drink options. There's 3 of them. And these are the fruit options, an apple or a banana. There's 2 of them. Okay, how many lunch specials are possible? So this uses the principle of counting, the fundamental principle of counting. So you take each menu item, sandwich, drink, and fruit, and you multiply them by the number of options that are available. So that's 4 by 3 by 2. So 4 3s are 12, multiplied by 2 is 24 options altogether. Now, Grania does not pick ham or tuna. She also does not pick a banana. How many different options can she pick? Okay, so in the second question, she's not picking tuna or ham, which means she's only got 2 options for the sandwich. And she's only got 1 option, the apple, for the fruit. All the drinks are still valid, so it's 2 by 3 multiplied by 1. So she can only pick 6 options there, right? So 2, the tuna and the egg, I think it was. Sorry, the ham and the tuna are gone. So the egg or the salad is 2 multiplied by 3 drinks multiplied by 1 fruit type. Okay, so that was that. Part B, students pay €4 for a lunch special. The school is donating 20% of the sales of all lunch specials to a local charity. Okay, how many lunch specials need to be sold if the charity is to get €500? So let's get 20% first. So €4 by 20%. So 20% is 20 over 100. Take away the 2 zeros there. So 2/10. If I divide both sides by 2, I get 1 over 5. So if I divide this by 5, I'm going to get 80 cent, haven't I? So 5 eighths are 40. So that's 80 cent. So every time they sell one of these lunches, 20% of the money is going to go to the charity. So we need to work out how many lunches then do they need to sell. So to get €500, we're going to divide by 0.8 or 80 cent to work out how many lunches do we need to get. Okay, so let's do that with the calculator. 0.8. So 625 lunches are what's needed to be sold to get that many 80 pences. 625 lunches. Part C. Grania has a bag of mixed sweets. There's 4 red and 6 green sweets in the bag. She picks 1 sweet at random from the bag. What's the probability that she picks a green? Okay. So in total there's 10. 6 plus 4. So the probability that she picks a green is 6 all over 10. 6 green, 10. So you can write this down if you wish. Green all over total outcomes. Okay, so that's the probability. She eats a green sweet. She then picks another sweet. So if she eats a green sweet, that's 1 of them gone. So we're gone down to 5. So 4 red are left and 5 green are left. So we've only 9 in total. What's probably the second sweet that Grania picks is green? Well, now the total number of options is 9. And if she goes again, she has 5 chances out of 9 to get a green one again. Okay, so 5 over 9 is the answer there. Part D. There's a park near Gronia's home. A path goes around the park. The path consists of two parallel sections that are joined by quarter circular ends of radius 40 as shown in the diagram. Okay, let's have a look. The parallel sections are 140 each. Okay, from there all the way over to there is 140, and that's also 140. Okay, but notice that this is also 40 here. The radiuses of these, the radius is 40, as is this. Okay, so that'll be useful. The perpendicular distance between them is 40. So that's that distance there. So we've already got that written down elsewhere, but let's write it down again. So that's 40 there. Work out the length of one lap of the path. Okay. So we know here that this is 40 here. And we know that this is 40 here. So this part here is 100, and this part here is 100 from here to here. So I've got 100 plus 100, and I've got the two 40s. And then I've got a quarter of an arc and another quarter of an arc. So I've got half a circle basically. And if you go here, the length of a circle is 2 pi r. Now it isn't 2 pi r for us here, it's pi r. It'll be pi r because it's only half of one, right? So the full circumference is 2 pi r. So ours is going to be pi r. So 2 pi r would give me 2 pi 40, but I must divide that by a half. Okay, which would cancel the two 2's. So it's 40 pi plus 40 pi is what will be left. Give your distance to the nearest meter. Okay, so it's two 140s. Plus 40 pi, whoops, is 405.66. So we're going to round that up to 406 meters. Every day, Gráinne goes for a run on the path. Work out the number of laps she must do in order to cover a distance of at least 5 kilometers. Okay, so 5 kilometers is equal to 5,000 meters. So if I divide 5,000 meters by 406 meters, I'll work out how many times she'll have to go around it. So it's 12.3 times, 12.31. So the number of full laps she has to do is 12 full laps. There's a bit extra, but they're asking me for the full laps, so that's what I should focus on. And that's it for question 10.